Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a deep dive into the new Sony Xperia 10 Mark VII. This is the latest addition to Sony's Xperia family, and I have been using it for about 2 weeks now. It's been fantastic. I wanted to give you my experience and why I think this might be the perfect phone for those who want a high-end experience in a compact form factor. The Xperia 10. Mark VII has everything I loved about the previous model, but now with an upgraded 120Hz display and the latest Snapdragon processor. This means that everyday tasks are smoother than ever before. Watching videos or playing games on this phone is a joy thanks to the stunning display and powerful speakers. The sound quality is truly impressive, and the stereo speakers are loud enough to fill any room. The compact size of the Xperia 10 Mark VII is what makes it stand out for me. It's so easy to use with one hand, and it fits into small pockets with ease. Yet it still packs in a large 5000 mAh battery, which keeps me going all day long. Now let's talk about cameras. Sony has made some improvements to the camera hardware this year. While I wouldn't call them groundbreaking, they are solid and consistent performers. The pictures are sharp and detailed, and the colors are true to life. There's also a dedicated shutter key, which makes taking photos and videos more enjoyable. Another thing that I absolutely love about the Xperia 10 Mark VII is the software. It runs a near-stock version of Android, which I appreciate since it keeps things clean and simple. It also helps that Sony has promised 4 years of operating system updates, which is great to see. There are some compromises to consider though. The charging speed is rather slow, and the lack of a charger in the box is disappointing for a phone at this price point. Also, compared to other phones in its class, the display bezels are on the thicker side, which can be distracting at times. So would I recommend the Sony Xperia 10 Mark VII? Absolutely. If you're a fan of the Xperia line and prioritize a compact form factor, this is the phone to get. Just be prepared to pay a little extra for the privilege. What do you guys think? Is the Xperia 10 Mark VII worth the hype? Comment down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.